We just got to take a tour of the brand new Scenic Eclipse Discovery yacht. It just floated over here from wherever it was built, and then it went to New York, was christened and everything in New York, took a tour up into Canada, I believe, and now it's making its way down the eastern seaboard, down to Miami, I think. Yeah, I think Miami. But right now we are in Charleston. Drove here to Charleston this morning to take a quick tour of it. The problem was it was a really small tour, really fast tour, just a small group of people. There are passengers on board right now, so we didn't get to spend a whole lot of time on ship. But we got to tour some of the public areas and the guest rooms and all that. And so I took some really horrible video, and here it is. I have no idea.
And Joe with you?
Yes.
Yeah, great.
Whatever food you have so far. The caterer is stuck out there at the gate.
Oh, great. Thank you.
Okay.
Hi.
Thank you.
Emailing you. Good to meet you. Christy, Tolley, Tolley, Carolina.
Oh, yes.
Carolina.
And John, right?
And then if you just
Joe,
put your
Joe,
ID
okay.
out. Yeah, thank you so much.
You're quite welcome. Thank you. Here you go. Did you get this?
Yes, excellent. Thank you.
Okay. There you go, Joe.
Great. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
That's a lot of shit. Thank you.
It's really exquisite.
So you are now on the 4th floor, which is normally the main entrance. Sometimes the gangway change to the 5th floor, but normally you will get right onto the 4th floor. And over there is this.
I was ready this way.
And over there is the lounge, which we will end the tour. We will start with the Coco Asian Fusion restaurants first. This is where guests are going to come in and have dinner. Right here. Guests can come in, have a drink, sake drink, and then proceed to the dining area. Cheese corner, which we're very proud of. And this restaurant, you don't need reservations. I mean, and dinner every night. group. We want to have a semi-private dining area. This is the place that we're going to host it, including the small area back there. We can host like 10. So chef table is reservations only and invitation only for top suites. And our chef will prepare the food with wine pairing every night here. This chef table dining area. And what we're trying to showcase is a window to the galley so that the chef and the crew can interact with the guests at the same time. So the idea is the same with Scenic Rivers. It's all inclusive, and we mean it that way. We're truly all inclusive, which means when you check in, you don't even have to give your credit card. All the wine bars you see over there is all included. So the whole idea with all inclusive and private butler service for every single cabin that you can see through when you see more of the ship. Now we're going up to the 5th floor. This is out the first cabin. Which one? It is the panorama.
The question we always get is,
Oh no, sorry, it's not there.
there is
Sorry. What are you looking for? 506, 509.
509 right here.
Yep. The TV is here. On the screen. I'd like to have that in my house too. All the four outside.
Meron ka bang postcard?
I got it. I got it.
Go ahead. I'll go after you.
502. 502 is.
Nice closet.
If you have a few cabins in a row, do you allow the partition to be open?
we don't have,
Everybody's going in.
we don't have
And in every single cabin, we provide binocular. So in the expedition trip, guests can use it. If they would like to buy it, they can buy it and give it to you.
TV made for you.
Yeah, really.
Go that way. I'm sorry to kick you out. Come on. Come on.
Panorama or the spa.
Like to have a small bite all day. You can come in here, you can order it from the station. Say hi to our friend here, David. He's how are you?
How are you?
Hello. Hello.
How are you? Don't be shy. Only under request.
Capacity for this one is 65 people.
How are you?
And,
Hello.
Hey, how are you? Good to see you.
Back again.
Yeah, you always about
Yeah.
making faces, right?
Right.
now here is an outdoor area.
I like to see this difference.
So you can come this way. You can go back in and out, but I can go this way. The two restaurants is right next to each other anyway.
Opens for itself.
So this is Lumiere, a French dining restaurant. There you are, okay?
I'm shy. I'm gonna try very briefly.
He's shy, yes.
very briefly talk about Lumiere for you. So, is everybody here all together?
Yeah.
All right. Please, first of all, forgive my language. English is not my first language, but I can try to communicate and briefly explain a little bit more Lumiere. What's the Lumiere look like for you? Finance, requinte, elegance, and everything else. So Lumiere, before that all, it's a private restaurant or reserved restaurant where reservation is required, and we are just at least we try to be the best restaurant on board. That's the concept. So, but before you come here, I'd like you just to open your mind, unfasten your seatbelt, and be prepared to have an outstanding gastronomy experience. I'm not gonna call restaurant, I will call experience location. We have so many things here, I'm not gonna go through detail, otherwise I will spend more time.
Now we're all very hungry.
I know.
You painted such a beautiful picture.
But before that,
And the arches on top of them, not sure if you know, it has been made with more than 4,500 spoons. And the arches took 2,500 hours just to have this piece made. It's unbelievable, it's a very nice one. I wish my wife could finish that. Take you home, get the present. It's very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, this menu takes 4 days.
Looks good.
I'm not worried about how good it is. It's fantastic.
So every day there is a cooking class. There will be a program schedule put into every guest suite, letting them know that if they would like to sign up for a cooking class tomorrow, there will be space and they can go to receptions and sign up, or call their private butler to do it for them. And we are proud to have this space because this is a newer concept. As you might know that on Scenic Rivers, we do the cooking demonstrations. We're heading on the 6th floor.
So all this. And that's for the polar region, so that you can still have them fresh.
Then we're going into the spot. Okay, hold on. Hold on.
Welcome to Santa's Spa. We have the male side on the left and the female on the right. Right now we can see the male side. We let the space for
This part here.
5,900 square feet for the whole area for the spa. Very generous space on the ship to create a very nice experience. Yeah.
I put it on like 3 times.
Now everyone can that's nice. The only thing that we would get ready for is the spa treatment itself. But to use a steam room, to use the plug pool, you can just come in here. This is a waiting lounge area before you are escorted to your spa treatment room.
Chili.
And on the left, you have sauna room and steam room.
pictures and stuff.
Reflection from the pictures.
Oh, that looks.
That's too hard left for Palmer.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, done.
It's probably cold.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very cold water. Well, because
We did the solar page up here.
okay.
Outside is shared.
Solar pole.
So you are on the main side, you see the tie is blue. If we are on the female side over there, the tie is pink, it's rosy, it's really bright.
Huh.
Yeah. So let's go outside and see the.
And the sauna is.
Yeah, yeah. Only spot for the. What's your snack?
These are all heated.
They're boys and girls.
And there's two different. The other side.
Me too. Love champagne, so you could try all 5 of those champagnes.
Definitely from that side. Yeah.
How we doing? Nice?
Well, yeah.
So today we have program at 8 a.m. and then we had another class at 5 p.m. that he's hosting. And now yoga is very much into the Tibetan kind of sound therapy. So he's using a lot of sounds. And he will set up all the mat out here with the crystal stones. Feel zen already? And guests can actually set up their profile when they on the machine. They can come back the next day, get their name, and only set up the
Motivate you a little bit.
Sure. Or depress me.
Cold, your room temperature.
They will actually go with.
Yeah.
With all the stuff on it. It gives them water.
It's 667 square feet with a terrace of 517 square feet outside. Same coffee machine and the bar right here.
This is private for the suite.
Yes, it's private, yes.
Are we on the top deck?
A Mr. Coffee versus a Nespresso versus like that.
We have really good coffee machine on board. I show you another one at the lounge too.
Yeah.
That's where I would go to. Just press.
Yes. I like high
Cappuccino.
test, believe me, couple shots of espresso in my coffee.
Yeah. Heaven's great, right? Not too bad. Not too shabby. I can take this.
Oh, nuts.
Check if, I know that the Helite is out for, more training time. They have to put it that's in Wilmington. Don't think that it has come back. They're both not here. So we have 2 helicopters, but
It's big enough for everybody.
it's big enough for everybody.
It's 2,100 square feet on its own. If you combine it with Spa Suite next door, it's 2,600 square feet.
And there is a guest bathroom here.
There's 2 bathrooms. Okay. My group is all set.
Your group is left finding it.
Yeah, we've had to fix this up here.
Trying to stow away?
We work fast, right?
Okay,
We work fast enough, we can go see the bridge.
Okay.
Okay, that night. The owner's suite.
And that's living.
Yeah, it is.
Holy smokes.
You want this one?
What's fun to you right at the front of the ship?
Yeah.
So you'd sit out there and just
Yeah. Well, you'd be in the hot tub.
watch the world go by, yeah.
We do have long access to the spa, or no, it's not the spa. It's called the spa suite. It's the name of our suite category. Because we dedicated more spa area, which means that this bathroom and the spa, the tub is going to be bigger.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Nice bathroom.
Yes.
Just like home.
Just like home. Like that side window. It's really cool.
Yeah, it is.
A lot of light.
Don't forget their packet.
Air come in.
Here, my old free.
So if we were on the other, on 904, this would connect to that one.
Correct.
It's
Yes.
the exact same layout that
Yes.
would connect to that.
That's right. So spa suites, we have 12 of this on board. 560 square feet. So right here, yeah, this tub is, yeah.
That's nice.
Frosted glass, so it's great. And you need privacy? Wow.
Pretty sure that's Charleston.
So here's the two whirlpools and your sun deck. You know, there's plenty of space on board, so you're not going to see deck chairs lined up, you know, one by one.
And towels on them, it's the same.
This is, you'll learn too when we do the presentation, but there's duplicates of every safety system, and this is the second bridge.
What's your name then? Welcome to Yacht Club. So the concept for Yacht Club is poolside, grill, and bar. This restaurant will be open for breakfast and lunch. And it's totally sitting up to 8 guests.
I would definitely spend 18 hours a day in here. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Well above average.
Very cool.
Yeah, open bridge
So this is
policy.
very unique.
Yeah.
I can imagine sitting in the seat driving.
I didn't catch that.
Alright, this is the observation lounge. This space is open 24 hours. We have a small library here. Tea and coffee, 24 hours. Self-serve station. Imagine when you are in Antarctica, this would be the space if you want to sit and look outside. It's really beautiful. It's actually look much better at night time.
I
The
bet.
lights on, yeah. I love it. You have a second, like to sit in that chair. It's just feels so good.
We can actually go on the absolute front of the ship.
You know,
But as the railings, there's, you know, so if you get out there, and it's a little choppy. That's one of my favorite spots.
That's really nice in there.
So this is the Scenic Lounge. This is where our guests, when they get on board, they go to the lovely lady over there, receptionist, and check in, or if they have any questions, they can come there. We provide iPads for our guests to do the surveys on board. Over here is a whiskey bar, which we're very proud of. Has more than 100 types of whiskey. And every night here at the lounge, we'll have a pianist play music, and also have sometimes singer to go with the background. This is the theater. Yeah, so the theater is where our discovery leader gonna host their talk presentation. At nighttime we will have show going on, and yeah, it's really amazing. We have a entertainment host. Okay. Great.
No nappy. We'll take a nap. I don't want to see me fall asleep.
Sing and his voice is amazing. The other nights we turn into like comedians. And then on the other nights we host like a karaoke night. So it's like, you're so multi-talented. But find a seat, have a seat.
Not fussy. Right, it's not ostentatious.
Where do you want? You want the front or do you want here?
Let's sit here.
Okay.
I'll sit on the end.
You should have grabbed one anyway and given it to me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, let's go on the other side.
Thank you.
Nice little, for lack of better terms, space.
Do what?
I know you wanted that term, space.
Yes.
Pretty cool, huh?
It's very cool.
Thank you so much.
Passport license. Passport license.
License.
Yep, 37.
Great, thanks
Thank you very much, Sean.
You're good. You're good. That was a fantastic ship.